Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kunal Shah, Joint Replacement Surgeon and Director at Ashutosh Hospital, Vadodara. Here in India, we are seeing a decrease in the number of COVID cases and the second wave is tapering down. COVID per se has largely spared the musculoskeletal system, and we as orthopedic surgeons have not encountered any major complications of COVID. However, in the last 3 to 4 months, we have seen some patients who have developed avascular necrosis of the hip joint following COVID. These are mainly young and middle-aged, that is between the age group of 20 to 50 years. They had developed COVID in the first wave. Now, these patients develop pain in one or both hip joints and develop slight difficulty in walking. These symptoms progress over a period of time. Now, they can be suspected on an X-ray or by clinical examination, and the diagnosis can be confirmed by an MRI. Now, avascular necrosis is not a new disease. The hip joint is a ball and socket joint where the ball is formed by the head of the femur, that is the thigh bone, and the socket is formed by the acetabulum, which is a part of the pelvis. In avascular necrosis, there is a decrease in blood supply of the head of the femur, which causes flattening of the spherical head, and when it progresses, it can cause hip arthritis. Now, in early stage, with certain medications and minimally invasive surgery, this disease can be stopped and the life of the joint can be increased. However, once the disease has progressed, then a hip replacement becomes necessary. As I told earlier, it can be suspected on clinical examination and X-rays, and the diagnosis is usually confirmed on an MRI. Now, more data will be required, but there are two main theories that are proposed to link COVID-19 to avascular necrosis of the femoral head. First is, in COVID-19 there is coagulopathy disorder, which means the blood has a high tendency to clot. And the second is use of intravenous steroids in high doses, which are of course life-saving. The good news is that unlike some other complications of COVID, this condition is easily manageable and absolutely not life-threatening or dangerous. However, if you or anyone you know develop these symptoms, then you should consult your orthopedic surgeon immediately. Stay aware and stay safe. Thank you.